Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's feature of the week. Today, we're going to look at Naviate Architecture's Align Walls feature. We also have the Quick Align feature that you can use, but we're going to focus on the Align Walls feature. Now, if you've ever imported a DWG file into your Revit model and then tried to use Revit's out-of-the-box align command to align, let's say, your existing walls to your DWG, and notice that you get the warning that your walls are slightly off axis, which happens quite frequently because DWGs aren't always straight. And now you're going to get a ton of warnings in your model that your lines aren't straight. And it also makes it really difficult to then, dimension elements to other elements in your model because they're not aligned. We can then use the Align Walls feature within Naviate Architecture. Once I pull up the command, I can either do this on the entire model or a selection of elements. I'm just going to do it on the full model at this moment. And then we have the option to align to either our shared coordinate system, our internal coordinate system, or pick an element to use as a guide, like a wall, a line, a plane, a grid, so on and so forth. So for this example, we're just going to use our Revit internal coordinates. And then I can select the option if I just want to align horizontally, just align vertically. We're going to do both, even though all the walls we selected are vertical. We'll just keep both on. And then we can allow for a rotation, let's see, threshold. We're just going to put a pretty low number and then simply select OK. Once I do that, I get the option if I want to select what walls I want to analyze and then align. I can, if I had something pre-selected, this would be an option. Do I want to do just visible in view? Do I want to do in the entire project? We'll just do visible in view for right now. And there we have it. Our walls are now aligned. We can check those because we can now dimension our walls to other walls in the project so that we know that they are aligned. The quick align is easily used as well. So you can use either one of these to align any misaligned walls to either your shared coordinate system, your internal coordinate system, or a reference like a wall, grid, or plane.